Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Saukar Navle. I am owner of World Class Dental Clinic which is located in Pune on FC Road. So today I am making this video. This is second part actually. Previously we have seen what is scaling, indication, contraindications of scaling, and this part we are going to cover up what is curettage. Okay, what is curettage, root planing, indication of it, contraindication, and how it helps. Okay, so first, what is curettage? Curettage is also known as root planing. It is indicated for the patient who has problem which are not only related to plaque and calculus, but it starts involving the root structure as well. That time we advise root planing. Okay, so in this procedure, what like in scaling we have seen the local anesthesia and all. In this procedure also, like if we have to perform the root planing or curettage, local infiltration of anesthesia is mostly recommended. In scaling we have already seen it is not needed, right? So yes, and second type, like the what type of instrument which usually we use for curettage, Gracie curette or the universal curette is mostly used for curating procedure. So what exactly root planing or curettage procedure is? Root planing or curettage procedure, we try to remove the inner lining of the pocket, epithelial of the pocket, as well as we try to remove whatever calculus or plaque accumulated on the root surface as well. Okay, so this procedure we go inside the pockets. So pockets are basically gingival pockets where there is a gap between the tooth structure and the gums. That time pockets are formed. So in that pocket, if something is accumulated, the lining of that pocket we are going to scrape in the curettage procedure, as well as removing any dirt accumulated inside the pockets. So this is the curettage procedure. So anesthesia recommended, yes, most of the cases it is recommended. Third, is it painful? Since we are using anesthesia, it is not that painful, but yes, it is comparatively invasive procedure when we compare with the scaling procedure. So what are the clear cut indications? When problem is not only related to the tooth surface or the outer layer of the tooth or the crown portion of the tooth, it is slightly more than that, then the curettage is recommended. Most of these cases, they have swollen gums, they have pockets. Mostly those pockets are suprabony pockets, and the probing depth of those pockets is more than 3 to 4 mm, I'll say. So in such cases we usually advise scaling and root planing or curettage procedure. So what are the contraindication? When the problem is more severe, it is beyond that, and some patient has the root issues or the osseous defects are there, like bony defects are there, in that case only the curettage won't help, since patient has more invasive problems where the bone structure is not good, even the root structure is not proper. In such cases curettage is not going to help. Even some patient, they have the pockets which are very shallow, less than 3 mm, then in such cases also curettage is not going to help, so we won't recommend that. So these are the clear cut things about the curettage. What is curettage? Whether it needs anesthesia? Yes. What is the treatment duration? Treatment duration roughly it is from 20 minutes to 45 minutes. That much of time is needed for proper curettage or root planing procedure. Fourth thing, what are the indications? We have already seen, and what are the contraindications. So this is all about the curettage or root planing procedure. Hope you understood by this video, at least you got brief idea about the curettage. If you have more question, you can definitely ask me. Okay, do like my channel, subscribe it. Bye bye, take care.